Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. Today we're drawing 3 border designs. The first one is a kitten, and I own a cat too, and he kind of looks like this, so I was teasing my husband saying that I was making a portrait of Mr. Miyagi. That's his name, like Mr. Miyagi from Karate Kid. So anyways, I'm going on and on. That is my little dedication to my cat, Mr. Miyagi there. So that one is pretty easy if you just follow along with me. I put everything that I used in the description box below, and you can check that out. And I put all my favorite art supplies through Amazon. So if you shop on Amazon, it's nothing extra to you, and it helps supports my channel. So anyways, I hope you guys like this, and I hope you're having a great day. Today's Friday, so most people love that. With us, there's no really weekend besides my son. So yeah, he loves Friday, but a lot of times my husband isn't home because he's working. So anyways, I'm babbling today. It's rainy and dreary out, so I thought it'd be a good day to draw and get some videos done. So if you guys like this, I'd really appreciate if you'd hit the like button, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. I'll just let the music play for the remainder of this one. Thanks so much for stopping by.